Good day, folks, and welcome to Best Trade Setup. In this video, I'll be taking you through the trades from the 25th of March, 2024. As usual, I do a before and after trade, and then go into the chart analysis. Moving forward, I might stop doing the befores and afters and just dissect the chart and show you where entries were possible and using the same criteria I've been using all throughout this channel. TP reached. Now, what I was looking at is this area right here. All the break-off structures that I draw are based on the 15-minute time frame. So whenever structure is broken on the 15-minute time frame, looking at the 5-minute time frame, it forms a 5-minute order block, and this is the lower boundary of the order block. This area is where I'm going to look at price and wait for signals for either a sell or a buy. In this case, these were buys. We see price going all the way back up above this line to retest it with this pin hammer. So that means it's a retest. And then we have this happening at the 5-minute order block. So that's 2 confirmations. I need 6 confirmations for buys. Price goes back up here, comes back down, does a retest again within the 5-minute order block. And looking at these 2 points here, it forms a W pattern. So we have 5 confirmations, and the 6th confirmation is a combination of this pin hammer and this pin hammer right here. So whenever we have 2 pin hammers like this, it equates to 1 confirmation. The only time that 1 pin hammer equates to 1 confirmation is if when it comes after a 3-candle pattern formation. So far we have 6 confirmations, and we have this bull candle closing above the 20 EMA. So this is where I entered my buys. Stop loss below this W pattern. TP is right here. So the reason why I never included price going below here and closing back up here as a fake out in regards to it showing a bullish bias is because whenever price closes below a order block like here, it is a bearish bias confirmation. So anything that is confirming a bearish bias, I will use in my analysis for buys. So that's why I started counting from this point here. Now that we have buys confirmed, moving forward, we only need 3 candle patterns or W patterns at significant points, such as here, to enter buys, not the usual 5 to 6 confirmations. So here we have a 3 candle pattern, but I was hoping for price to go back down a little bit to offer me at least a 1-to-1 risk to reward, because had I entered here, the stop loss would have been below this candle. This distance from here to here is more than here to here. So the risk to reward here is less than 1. So since we didn't get a pullback, I didn't enter this trade. This is what I was anticipating for price to do. Well, let me not say anticipating, but hoping for price to do. That way I get a good R&R, at least a 1-to-1. But then price didn't give me that pullback and just went straight up here, which is fine. Not all the time will we get what we want, so that's just fine. Now this brings me to the end of my video. I hope you learned something from it. Take from that what you will. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, cheers.